Morning students, today we will start our next chapter, chapter 3, creating files and folders. So in this chapter we will discuss about files and folder and how we can create a new file and folder. So first topic is files and folder. We have to know more about what is files and folder and what is the difference between them. So take out page number 26. Okay. Let's see. Files and folder. Whatever work you do on a computer is saved in file. For example, your drawing sheet, your paint is file. Here you can see that flower, poem are saved in files, but our homework, test paper, documents are saved in folder. Okay. Every file has a name. The file name is relevant to the contents, and the file extension describes the type of file. It means the extension and the name of file describe more about the file, which means the file is related to which area or which section. Okay. The file name can have up to 255 characters, including a period, full stop, and a extension up to 8 characters. Okay, we have used 8 characters extension and 25 character name data. You have saved all the files on your computer, but you still take time to search for a file. We know that if we are adding more files in our system, it is very difficult for us to find our file within a second. Okay, so for making our for saving our time, we have to give the name of separated file. Okay. It means we are not arrange the file in a proper way, so we have to arrange them in a organized way. A folder will contain all your files. It means the folder can contain all our files, but in files a folder can have another folder inside it called a subfolder. Under folder we can see that there are too many folders. Here I can show you, just so you see that. Just look at that. These are the first folder and the name are notes class 4. If we are clicking it, these are called subfolder. Okay, students, hope you will understand. Now, Microsoft Windows provide a useful program called File Explorer that will help you manage our files and folder. Okay, it gives us the files and folder for manage that file and folder in a easy way. Okay, first is File Explorer. File Explorer help us for work with file and folder. Okay, to create a file, start a File Explorer, follow the step, swipe in the for finding a file we have to scroll the screen. Okay, here I can scroll that, see that, and the search option are come. Here we can put some our file name, just sample Chrome. If we are putting, we have to open the Chrome, we can select it, or configure, we can also select it, but I can select the class 4 computer note. Here you can see that computer note will, and our file will open. Okay, so hope you will understand the topic File Explorer in a easy way. Okay, and now next day we will discuss about parts of the File Explorer window. Okay, students, you can watch this video very carefully and understand your chapter. If you have any doubt related this chapter or topic, please ask. Okay.